In this video, I will show you how to add music to your YouTube video. So let's get straight into it. So what you want to make sure is that the music you are going to use is copyright free, and the best way to do this is there are obviously a couple of websites you can use, but YouTube do now have a feature where you can download copyright free music and sound effects to use in your videos. So what I'm going to do is just basically show you how you can find this feature and how you can go ahead and download that. So what you want to do is come across to youtube.com and you just want to make sure you're logged into your account. So to add the actual background music, what you'll need to do is add it to your video after you've edited it. So you would just basically download the music track and add it to the video editor, and then you can obviously have that playing in the background. So to find the copyright free music provided by YouTube, what you're going to want to do is make sure you're logged into your account, and then you want to click onto your profile icon up in the top right hand corner. And then what you want to do is come down and click onto YouTube Studio. So this is going to take you across to your YouTube Studio, and this way you can actually come to find the copyright free music. As I say, there are sound effects available as well, so if you wanted to add like some ding noises or like a door knock or something like that, you can also do that too. So to access the audio library from YouTube, all you want to do is come to this menu on the left hand side, and then you just want to scroll down until you get to the audio library option down here. And then just go and give that a click to take you across to the audio library. So you can double check the license if you want to, but all of this music and sound effects are completely copyright free. You can see if I hover over, it's going to tell you a short description saying, for example, this track, it says you're free to use this audio track in any of your videos, including videos that you monetize. No attribution is required. So if you do decide to use another website, then do make sure you check the terms of the song. Sometimes you have to give like attribution, so you need to put the artist, for example, or the producer in your video description, just to give them some credit. But a lot of the ones on the actual audio library provided by YouTube, you don't actually have to give attribution. You can literally just download, add it to your videos, and you'll be able to use that no problem. So there is a filter at the top as well, so you can actually click that and you can choose, for example, the genre, the mood. So for example, if I go onto mood, you can click onto like calm and click apply, and it's going to bring up all the tracks that sound kind of calm. And if you want to have a preview of the track, then all you can do is click this play button over here, and what's going to happen, that's going to start playing the track. So you can obviously scroll down and have a listen to the one that you want to download. And once you find the one you download, if you actually hover over, you're going to get a download button on the far right hand side. So all you want to do is click that to download. And what it's going to do is download it as an MP3 track. And then all you would do is literally drop that into your video editor, and you would add that to your video to add music to your YouTube video. So that's how you do it. As I say, the process is very simple, but if you do use another website to use music instead of the audio library provided by YouTube, again, make sure you do check the terms of every song to see if you do need to provide attribution or basically the terms of using those tracks in your videos, just so you don't get hit by anything like a copyright claim or anything along those lines. So I hope you found this helpful today, and if this did help you out, then please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next one.